Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing something that I got for my birthday. Sky darts, which I actually just found, which are actually pretty cool because you throw them in the sky at night and they will, like, it's hard to explain, but I'll do an example when I'm finished. So today I'm going to make a new series, first of all, called Unboxing Stuff That I Get. Isn't the best name? So let me. Oh, that's a choice. Didn't sound good. My freaking keyboard's over my mouse right now on my computer. Great, another box. Oh. This is hard because my chair isn't very big. And my desk isn't very big either. What the heck is in this? Let me move my Xbox controller. Xbox One. Yeah. But what the freak is this? What are those? What are those? Well, we'll move that to the side for now. But seriously, what are those? Move where my mic is. Crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. What is in this thing? What did I just unbox? Holy crap, this is heavy. This thing is heavy. It's by WAMO. There's another one. There's another one. No more room. And here's another one. Great directions. Gonna need these when I set it up. That was a waste of time. How to play? Two people may play, or four people may play on two teams. If you are playing in teams of two, each player on the team gets one dart for each round to give of gameplay. Assemble rings placed of 25 feet across. Hold the dart and handle of the fin of toss an underhand motion with enough arc so that you can reach the ring on the opposite side. One player or team stands behind the ring and takes turns tossing the dart. The sky darts across the play area. The first player or team to reach 21 points wins the game. If there's a tie at 20 points, there must be a difference of at least 6 points to determine who is the winner. Oh god. Imagine getting hit by these. They have padding on them. Wait. There's 2 black and 2 green, just noticed that. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this, then please leave a like and subscribe. Everything's appreciated. Bye.